Core Module 5. Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Sustainability. Module Overview. Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Sustainability serves as the culminating module of the global MBA curriculum, integrating strategic leadership, financial intelligence, customer-centric growth, operational excellence, and technological innovation into a future-focused framework for sustainable value creation. Drawing inspiration from the innovation and entrepreneurship focus and the agile, innovation-driven mindset cultivation, this module prepares participants to lead organizations in environments characterized by disruption, uncertainty, technological advancement, environmental challenges, and evolving stakeholder expectations. The module emphasizes the development of entrepreneurial thinking, innovation management capabilities, human-centered problem-solving, sustainable business practices, ESG integration, circular economy principles, and long-term strategic resilience. Participants learn how to identify emerging opportunities, design innovative solutions, launch new ventures, transform business models, and create economic, social, and environmental value simultaneously. Through venture development projects, innovation challenges, sustainability assessments, design thinking workshops, business model simulations, and strategic foresight exercises, participants develop the capabilities required to lead innovation and sustainable growth initiatives across industries and global markets. Module Objectives. Upon completion of this module, participants will be able to develop innovation strategies that create sustainable competitive advantage, apply entrepreneurial thinking to identify and pursue new business opportunities, utilize design thinking methodologies to solve complex business challenges, design and transform business models to adapt to changing market conditions, integrate sustainability principles into organizational strategy and operations, develop ESG frameworks that support long-term stakeholder value creation, apply circular economy concepts to improve resource efficiency and resilience, anticipate future business trends and prepare organizations for emerging opportunities and risks. Course 1. Innovation Management. Course Description. This course examines how organizations systematically generate, evaluate, implement, and scale innovations that create value and sustain competitive advantage. Topics: Foundations of Innovation Strategy Innovation Processes and Systems Innovation Portfolio Management Product and Service Innovation Open Innovation Technology and Innovation Culture Measuring Innovation Performance Leading Innovation Organizations. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to identify innovation opportunities, develop innovation strategies, manage innovation portfolios, build innovation-oriented organizations. Course 2. Entrepreneurship. Course Description. This course focuses on entrepreneurial opportunity recognition, venture creation, business planning, financing, and growth management. Topics: Entrepreneurial mindset, opportunity identification, market validation, venture planning, startup financing, business development, entrepreneurial leadership, scaling ventures, entrepreneurial risk management, venture growth, and exit strategies. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to identify entrepreneurial opportunities, develop viable business ventures, evaluate startup financing alternatives, manage venture growth and expansion. Course 3. Design Thinking. Course Description. This course introduces human-centered innovation methodologies used to solve complex business, customer, and organizational challenges. Topics: Introduction to Design Thinking, Empathy and Customer Discovery, Problem Definition, Ideation Techniques, Creativity and Innovation Tools, Rapid Prototyping, Testing and Validation, Customer-Centered Innovation, Design Thinking for Organizations, Innovation Implementation. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to apply design thinking methodologies, develop customer-centric solutions, facilitate innovation processes, solve complex business problems creatively. Course 4. Business Model Innovation. Course Description. This course explores how organizations create, capture, and deliver value through innovative business model design and transformation. Topics: Business Model Fundamentals, Value Proposition Design, Business Model Canvas, Platform, Business Model Subscription, and Digital Models, Ecosystem-Based Strategies, Business Model Transformation, Disruptive Innovation, Scaling Innovative Models, Business Model Resilience. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to analyze existing business models, design innovative value propositions, transform business models for growth, build resilient organizational structures. Course 5. Sustainability Management. Course Description. This course examines how organizations integrate environmental, social, and economic sustainability into strategic decision-making and business operations. Topics: Sustainability Foundation, Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Sustainability Strategy, Sustainable Operations, Climate Risk and Business, Sustainable Supply Chain, Stakeholder Sustainability Expectations, Sustainability Reporting, Measuring Sustainability Performance, Sustainable Value Creation. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to integrate sustainability into business strategy, assess environmental and social impacts, develop sustainability initiatives, measure sustainability performance. Course 6. ESG Strategy. Course Description. This course focuses on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) frameworks and their strategic importance in modern organizations. Topics: ESG Fundamentals, Environmental Stewardship, Social Responsibility, Governance Excellence, ESG Risk Assessment, ESG Metrics and Reporting, Sustainable Finance and Investment, Stakeholder Engagement, ESG Integration into Strategy, Future of ESG Leadership. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to evaluate ESG risks and opportunities, develop ESG strategies, align ESG initiatives with organizational objectives, communicate ESG performance effectively. Course 7. Circular Economy. Course Description. This course explores regenerative business models and resource management approaches that support long-term sustainability and economic resilience. Topics: Principles of Circular Economy, Linear versus Circular Systems, Resource Efficiency, Waste Reduction Strategies, Product Life Cycle Management, Circular Supply Chain, Sustainable Product Design, Circular Business Models, Measuring Circularity, Circular Economy Leadership. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to apply circular economy principles, improve resource utilization, develop sustainable business models, enhance organizational resilience. Course 8. Future Business Trends. Course Description. This course examines emerging economic, technological, demographic, geopolitical, and societal trends that will shape the future of business. Topics: Strategic Foresight, Megatrends and Global Change, Future Technologies, Artificial Intelligence and Automation, Future of Work, Geopolitical and Economic Shifts, Sustainability and Climate Transitions, Innovation, Ecosystem Scenario Planning, Future-Ready Organizations. Learning Outcomes. Participants will be able to analyze emerging business trends, conduct strategic foresight assessments, evaluate future opportunities and risks, develop adaptive organizational strategies. Module-level learning outcomes. Upon successful completion of innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainability, participants will be able to MLO1. Innovation Leadership. Design and implement innovation strategies that create sustainable competitive advantage and organizational growth. MLO2. Entrepreneurial Opportunity Recognition. Identify, evaluate, and pursue entrepreneurial opportunities in existing organizations and new ventures. MLO3. Human-centered problem solving. Apply design thinking methodologies to develop innovative and customer-centric solutions. MLO4. Business model transformation. Design, evaluate, and transform business models to respond to market disruption and emerging opportunities. MLO5. Sustainable strategy development. Integrate sustainability principles into organizational strategy, operations, and decision-making processes. MLO6. ESG integration. Develop ESG frameworks that enhance stakeholder trust, organizational resilience, and long-term value creation. MLO7. Circular economy application. Apply circular economy principles to improve resource efficiency, reduce waste, and strengthen business sustainability. MLO8. Future-oriented strategic thinking. Assess future trends, disruptions, and uncertainties to prepare organizations for long-term success.